Let's be honest. Most finance automation projects fail for one simple reason. They're built by people who understand coding but don't understand finance. So the dashboards look very impressive. But the CFO and the finance team still double check everything manually. At Contetra, we build automation differently. We're chartered accountants, which means that before we write a single line of code, we ask, will this stand up to audit? And will the CFO trust the data source? It's simple. We don't sell products and we definitely don't want to replace your ERP needlessly. We build finance-first automation around your existing systems. Month-end financial statements that generate in minutes. Reconciliations that work without manual intervention. Department-wise expense analysis that doesn't take 5 days and 10 follow-ups. MIS reporting that is actually management ready. So look, if your process follows logic, repetition and rules, it should be automated. But automation should reduce effort, not remove judgment altogether. And it should deliver insight, not just speed. We've helped teams move from weeks to minutes, manual to structured, and reactive to insight-led. Not with flashy AI demos. Remember we said we don't have any products to sell, but with automation that finance teams actually trust. If any finance process is silently consuming your team's time, that's where we'll start. Not with a demo, with a conversation.